Children, tomorrow we have which festival? Holi. Okay. And look at these two words. Indian mythology. What is this? Indian mythology. Now whatever festivals we are celebrating in India, behind every festival there is a story. Now Holi story is about what? It is about a king called Hiranyakashyap. King called Hiranyakashyap. Now what happened? There was a king who prayed to God. Okay, and he got lot of blessings and power and strength. Fine. Then when he got power and strength, he became very cruel. You were asking, no, what is the meaning of cruel? Cruel means he became very unkind. He said that, I am the God. Don't worship Lord Vishnu. Don't worship Krishna. Worship me, he said. Okay, then is it possible that a human can be God? No, no. So what happened? Because of his ego, everyone started to worship him. They were scared of him. Right? He was a king there, no? So everybody started worshipping him. Clear? Then what happened? He got a son. His son's name was Prahlad. What was his son's name? Prahlad. Now Prahlad said, no, I will not worship you. I will worship only Lord Vishnu. I will worship only Lord Vishnu. He is the God. You are not the God. Now this Hiranyakashyap becomes super angry. He said, no. Why are you not worshipping me? If you will not worship me, I will kill you. What did he say? He said, if you will not worship me, I will kill you. So he tried many things. He took his son on the top of a hill and pushed him down. Prahlad was not killed. Then he tried to trample his son under the legs of an elephant. Again he was not killed. Then this Hiranyakashyap got an idea. A very bad idea actually. What idea? He called his sister called Holika. What was the name of his sister? Holika. Now Holika also had got a blessing from God. The blessing was what? That if you sit in fire, the fire will not harm you. You pick this boy, sit in the fire, so you will not be burned, this boy will be burned. Okay, so Holika sat in the fire with Prahlad in her lap. Okay, but then what happened? Holika was burned and Prahlad was not burned. Okay, and then comes the name of the festival. Thus the word Holi is extracted from Holika.